Hi everyone, today meet Bob. Bob is a caterpillar, but honestly, he thinks he is a majestic dragon. Just look at that face. He is plotting something big today, and I think it involves a lot of food. Bob has a tiny problem, though. He went on a diet this morning, but it lasted exactly 2 minutes. He saw a juicy green leaf and wow, diets are hard, okay? Don't judge him. Now, Bob wants a total makeover. He is tired of being just plain old green and wants to look absolutely fabulous. So, we're bringing out the brightest colors today to turn him into a runway model. Look at him glowing already. If you think Bob deserves to be a colorful superstar, show him some love. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep painting this legend.